Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Maps. This links saved points. Once done, enable location services so pins reflect your device position and clear cached location if inaccurate. Next, decide whether you need a single point for quick directions, a list for grouped places, or a custom map layer in My Maps for complex annotations. Make sure to gather place names or coordinates now, because accurate input saves time and avoids later edits. You now create and refine points by searching a place or dropping a pin. Tap Save or Add to List to keep it. Once saved, edit the name, add descriptive notes, choose a category, and correct coordinates for precision, because clean metadata makes sharing useful. If you need multiple categorized points, use My Maps. Create layers, pick colors and icons, and import CSV or KML files to bulk add locations. Make sure to regularly sync so edits persist across devices. You finish by sharing or exporting. Generate a share link or export KML, and set viewer versus editor permissions so collaborators can view or edit. Once shared, use saved points for navigation, offline maps, and the measure distance tool to plan routes. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by confirming you're in the correct account, checking map visibility settings, and verifying coordinate format, decimal versus degrees. If points still don't appear, reload Maps, re-import the file, or clear app cache to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.